Hey everyone, welcome back to I am Joseph, your guide to all you must know about online platform. In today's video, we are digging into Deluxonlimejobs, a site promising easy online earning. Is it a scam or legit? Stick around till the end for bonus tips to stay safe. Kindly watch the video below till the end.
Hi, in this video I'll show you how to upgrade from the standard plan to the alpha plan. If you're new to Delux, you can just register directly on the alpha plan during your registration process. Alright, right here on the registration page, just select the plan and choose alpha. But if you're already an existing member, you have an account just like me, there's no need for you to create a second account. No, all you have to do is to click on those three lines on the top left corner and then click on upgrade plan. Alright, once you do that, it will bring you to this section. Here you can see my current plan is standard, so I want to upgrade to this alpha plan which is available. Now to do this, you will require a job permit of alpha plan, which is going to cost you 12,000 naira. Now how can you get this job permit code? You can always get it from verified coupon vendors or job permit vendors. Now on the registration page, if you're right here, there's this click here you will see. Once you click on it, it will take you to where you get verified vendors to buy from. All right, you're going to see a list of verified deluxe vendors that sells job permit. Okay, so this job permit is actually a code, and you can contact any of them. All right, so if you keep scrolling, you're going to see my name here because I'm also a verified vendor on Delux. All right, so as you scroll, you're going to see Patrick Uche. This is me, and once you click here, it will take you to my WhatsApp. All right, so already I'm a vendor. I have the job permit code of both the standard package of 85 and that of 12,000 naira, which is the alpha package. I have them both, so I'm just going to copy one of the code I have and then come back to this is the job permit code and click on upgrade now. You can see your plan has been upgraded successfully. Now let's go back to the dashboard and then look at our, you see daily job has increased to 23,100. Now that's by 10,000 naira. So as it is right now, whoever I register on this alpha plan, I will be entitled to earn a referral bonus of 10,000 naira. All right, it doesn't stop there. Henceforth, I am also entitled to register both those on standard plan, which is 85, and I also can register those on alpha plan, which is 12,000 naira. I can register both. All right, apart from that, I can also earn other bonuses.
So, is Deluxonlimejobs a scam or legit? With a young domain, low trust score, unrealistic claim, suspicious review, and no transparency, it's leaning heavily toward a scam. Don't risk your time or data on this site. For your bonus tips, always Google a site's name with scam or review to check its reputation before signing up. If you have tried this platform, share your experience in the comments. For more safety tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. This is I am Joseph. See you next time.